In this video, I'm just going to show you how to do a simple energy bar for your game or a life bar for your character. So you can see I have a horizontal arrangement in. Below it, I set up another one just with an up and down button to manipulate my energy bar. So I'm going to come up and grab two labels. I'm going to plop them right in here. Let's re-switch those labels. Label 1, I'm just going to simply change the name of this to energy. You're going to notice I'm going to bold it. I'll change the color of the text and increase the size just so it's easier to see for this purpose. Label 2, I'm actually going to get rid of the text. Oh, not setting it to 0. I want to actually get rid of the text. I'm going to set the background color of it to red. And I'm going to set the height of my label. Let's do 40 pixels. And let's do 200 pixels for my length. There we go. So we can see that my energy bar is there. I'm going to come over to my blocks now. And I'm just going to simply say when my block up is clicked and when my block down is clicked. What I'm going to do is create a variable. And I'm going to just call this variable energy. I'm going to set my default energy or my start energy to 200. I'm going to come here and say set my variable energy, and I can duplicate this over. Now on the up, I want to grab an addition block. On my down, I want to grab a subtraction block. Now, what do I want to subtract? Well, I want to get that variable, and I can duplicate this. Global energy. So in both of them, I'm getting that variable, and in the first one, I'm going to, I don't know, we'll add 20 to it. And then I'm going to duplicate, and we'll subtract 20 on the down. So I'm going to go to my label 2, which is my energy. And I'm going to set my label 2's width to whatever my global energy variable reads. So again, I'm going to duplicate this over here. Now, as I pull up my emulator, we're going to see as I go up, my energy grows. As it goes down, my energy decreases. Now, we can use that by saying, hey, if math equality, we're going to get equals. Global energy is less than or equal to 0. And again, I can duplicate this. Oh, I'll wait to duplicate it. We can have whatever our end game is. We can say, you know, turn label visible to false. So we can go here to set, but again, this would depend on what you wanted to happen in your game that you're doing. So turn label visible. Nope, I don't have that option. So I could just simply, let's reset set our global energy, duplicate it, set our global energy back to 200. Again, you could end your game by setting your canvas or whatever you're doing visible to false or going to another screen. So now if I pull up my emulator, I'm going to go up and I grow as I go down. If I meet that function, we can see that my label decreases and resets itself because that's my conditional statement. So I hope this helps as you're exploring your game development.